You've probably heard that Dollar Tree already increased their prices again, so I'm going to take you with me to Dollar Tree and Walmart and compare prices on their school supplies, party supplies, as well as crafting and home supplies. So let's get to it. We're going to start in the crafting aisle, of course, and we're going to start with paint. One common thing that you're going to start seeing on this video is that Walmart has an insane amount of variety of each item, which I love. Some are less expensive, like these paints 84 cents. That's a great deal. And these just under 60 cents. I think that's a great deal, especially for crafts. Dollar Tree's paint aisle has some larger ones, small ones, and they're all $1.25. I think it could be a good deal, but I think you can find some better ones at Walmart. So Walmart wins this one. Walmart's brush aisle is not as much, but they do have a good variety of them. And these are Dollar Tree, and I'm telling you, they're about the same. I think comparing prices, I think Dollar Tree won this one. With their watercolors, Dollar Tree beat them. You can find some good deals on watercolor. This huge block of construction paper is just under $6 at Walmart, and Dollar Tree has this one with 30 papers, and it's $1.25. Walmart has so many wood cutouts. It is crazy. I love these that have different shapes, and they're under $1, which is a great deal. These stars I find at Dollar Tree every year at $1.25. Dollar Tree's wood section is great, I will have to admit, and they still show as $1.25. The popsicle sticks at Walmart are $1.47, and I think they're pretty comparable to the one you find at Dollar Tree. These I found at Dollar Tree, and they're still $1.25, so it's best to grab them there before they raise prices. The floral foam at Walmart is very comparable to the one at Dollar Tree, and Dollar Tree prices beat them even at $1.75. I'm not happy with the increase, but comparing apples to apples, I think the ones at Dollar Tree are still a better deal. These foam bowls, same thing. These foam rounds, again, 2 in a pack in each, but Walmart's prices are astronomical, so still get them at Dollar Tree. Again, I'm not happy about the increase, but they're still less than the ones at Walmart. Maybe you can find them elsewhere. Their glitter aisle is just so much more at Walmart as usual. However, the prices are a lot more than Dollar Tree. You can find these little containers of glitter. They come in different colors, as well as these in the little baggies, and they have in golden tones, blacks, whites, and brown. Walmart's selection of pipe cleaners is pretty comparable to the ones at Dollar Tree, and they are more, although these are 82 and 97 cents, and these here at Dollar Tree are still $1.25. So I would say grab them at Walmart. Same with the pom-poms. I think Walmart has a greater selection and style of them, but Dollar Tree has these, which I think are pretty cute, and they come in primary colors as well as these pastel for $1.25. Same with the googly eyes. Walmart has a ton of selections, and Dollar Tree has a tiny little selection, but again, if all you need is a few, Dollar Trees are less. When it comes to the beads, I think Walmart has a greater selection with many beautiful styles like these. But Dollar Tree has some good ones, and they're still $1.25 with no increase, so grab them at Dollar Tree. I found these other cutouts at Walmart that I think are gorgeous. These are $1.78 each, and you can find some really good finds and a good size. These word cutouts are $1.62. Again, great deal. Dollar Tree does not carry a lot of these all the time, so I would say if you can grab them at Walmart, go for it. Walmart's selection in wood rounds is at a whole different level. You can find some beautiful, very thick, good quality wood rounds for signs. I think if you want to make these to sell, Walmart is the place to go. But you can find these wood rounds at Dollar Tree year-round for $1.25 still, but they're not as good quality. These planked boards at Walmart are just under $7. These are great to make signs if you want to sell them at good quality. Throughout the years, I have found several options of wood boards that you can find at Dollar Tree Plus for about $3 to $5, just like these, which are great if you want to sell crafts. But they do have several like these for $1.25 still, so check them out there. Their mason jars at Walmart, I have found these ball ones, which are great for crafts, for $2.64, and these plain ones for $2.48. Dollar Tree's mason jars are $1.50. Yes, more expensive, but better price. Their glue aisle at Walmart is insane. You can find every type of glue in pretty much every size. These fabric glues as well as Mod Podge and tacky glue, you can find them full size at Walmart. Where at Dollar Tree, you can find the little tiny ones. These tacky glue are $1.25, and the Mod Podge seem to be now more than $1.25, but I could not confirm the price. The aisle for the party section is insane at Walmart. So many options. The balloons are 15, about 15 in a pack for $1. Dollar Tree's party aisle is still about $1.25, and the balloons come more in a pack in a great variety. So check them out there. Walmart's number balloons are great. They are very large, but they are $5.24. But I think having them in this large size, it's a great deal, especially if you can get them filled. At Dollar Tree, I found these, which are smaller, but they are still $1.25, so you might want to check them out there. The gift bags at Walmart are so many varieties. I could not keep up. Some beautiful designs, and a lot of them are $1. This one's $1.96, a little larger. And then at Dollar Tree, they've gone up to $1.50. Still some beautiful designs, so it's a hit and miss on what you find. These plain color gift bags are great at Walmart. They are literally either $1 or even less, and I found these at Dollar Tree, which are still $1.25 so far. We shall see. The tissue paper at Walmart I have found for $1, which is a good deal. They come in different colors and finishes, and I think why not try them there? They also have these variety packs, again, for very inexpensive. Great deals. Now at Dollar Tree, you can find good tissue paper as well. They still seem to be $1.25, but I think Walmart's price beats them. In regards to the table covers, they have so many varieties and colors, and these are all $1 at Walmart. They also have a multi-pack section with 3 in a pack for less than $3, which is a great deal. Dollar Tree has an entire selection of them as well, different colors, and they are all still $1.25, or at least that's what it seems like it. Wrapping paper at Walmart seems to be a little bit more expensive than Dollar Tree. I would stick with the ones at Dollar Tree, especially because they have some really cute designs. Walmart's bows are $1.28, and Dollar Tree seem to still be $1.25, which I would say grab them at Dollar Tree when you are there. The greeting card section at Walmart is beautiful. They have many selections, even under $1. 98 cents. I think it's a great deal, and I wanted to prove it, so I grabbed a card. This one was 99 cents. Dollar Tree's cards seem to still be $1.25. Again, not a bad deal, but if you're at Walmart, I'd say grab them over there. For the school supplies, Walmart has an insane amount of items, all under $1. These coloring pencils are Crayola brand, and they are under $1. I think Dollar Trees are $1.25 still, and you get less. The crayons are 50 cents, my friends. These are at Walmart, 24 in a pack. And I did find the same ones at Dollar Tree, and these are $1.25. So I would say grab them at Walmart. These plastic pencil pouches are at Walmart, and they are 97 cents, which is a great deal. At Dollar Tree, a comparable one would be this one, and it's $1.25. So again, Walmart beats Dollar Tree at this one. These erasers at Walmart are $1.47. They're not our favorites. We actually found some at Dollar Tree that we really love for $1.25. So I think Dollar Tree beat them. Sharpies at Walmart are $1.97, and you can find single packs at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Pencils at Walmart are a great find. These come a lot. They come 48 in a box, and you can get them for $3.47. These come 10 in a pack, and they're $1.25. The paper at Walmart come 150 sheets, and they are very inexpensive at 84 cents. But you can find these for 200 sheets, but they are $1.25, so Walmart beats them. I found 2-pack of glue sticks at Walmart for 50 cents. And at Dollar Tree, they have a single pack for $1.25. I think Walmart beats them. Moving on to glue, these are just regular Elmer's white glue for 50 cents. I could not find one at Dollar Tree, just this one here, Crazy Art, and they are $1.25, so I'd say get it at Walmart. These kids scissors come 2 in a pack for $1.57, and guess what? I found very similar ones at Dollar Tree, 2 for $1.25 still, so I think it's a great deal. Sticky pads are just 1 pack for 67 cents at Walmart, and you can get a 2-pack at Dollar Tree for $1.25. Markers, these Crayola markers come 10 in a pack, and they are 97 cents at Walmart, and the same very similar ones at Dollar Tree are $1.25, so grab them at Walmart. Composition notebooks at Walmart are 38 cents, my friends. I found similar ones at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'd say grab them at Walmart. Same thing with the folders. These plastic folders are 54 cents at Walmart, and I found this plastic one at Dollar Tree for $1.25. The paper folder ones are also at Walmart for as little as 25 cents each, and then you can get two-piece ones at Dollar Tree for $1.25. One subject spiral notebooks at Walmart are very inexpensive at 35 cents, and I found similar ones at Dollar Tree for $1.25, so I would say grab them at Walmart also. Moving on to some home items, I found these boxes that I know I find at Dollar Tree all the time. They are just over $2 at Walmart, and I found the same ones at Dollar Tree or very similar for $1.50 each. I found these great hangers at Walmart for under $6, but they don't come a lot in a pack. At Dollar Tree, you can get 15 in a pack for $5, which I think it's a great deal. What do you think of this battle of the prices? I think each store has its own deals, and I think it's worth visiting both more often. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.